What is the difference between a training barn and a training barn that shows? There are lots of good trainers all over the country making good videos. That's good. I have no complaint about them. But there's a lot of things that they don't do because they don't show. They don't put their work out there to be judged at shows or judged in different events. So they're never really critiqued. So a showing barn, I'm going to take my horse out, and the training that I did on that horse is going to be judged. The quality of the work that I did is going to be judged, and how that horse places is going to be judged, of course, with placings, and it kind of gives the owner of that horse a better feel of the quality of the training that horse gets. Where a straight training barn, you can get the horse broke to ride, train it, go left, go right, steer, trail ride, whatever you want to do, whatever problem you're wanting to fix. And that horse never gets basically judged by the trainer's peers.